In this lesson, I want to discuss hydrogen bonding. Just remember, a hydrogen bond is a fairly weak interaction between a positive hydrogen and a negative oxygen or nitrogen, some other chemical or atom. And in this case, as we draw this, we have an idea. We've got to remind ourselves that these are results, chemicals that are resulted from the formation of polar covalent bonds. So there's actually polarity in here, and that is what will kind of determine this. So I'm going to draw an oxygen in here. I'll put a little O for oxygen inside. And then I'm going to draw two little hydrogens on top of it. Hydrogens in blue, oxygen in red, so I'll put little H's on here. Now, because it is polar, on this side we are positive, and on this side we are negative. So what will actually occur, because we have the positive side with the hydrogens, the negative side with the oxygens, there will be an interaction. So let me draw 3 dots. The oxygen of another molecule of water will want to attach there. Why? Because it's negative and the hydrogens are positive. So then we put 2 hydrogens on that one. And of course, there will be another water here. And you can continue on with this bonding process for each one of those. And also, in this case, a little hydrogen, and an oxygen. And as that continues on, these bonds form because we have a positive end on one and negative end on the other. And this kind of interaction, even though they are weak, many of these all together can make some pretty strong bonds and result in cohesion of water molecules, results in water. As I actually will apply heat to these, it will absorb the heat inside the bond, and as we break that, such as when we sweat, to help keep that off. So hydrogen bonds are a fairly simple little phenomenon, but that is a very simple way to look at what's going on in the hydrogen bond. And this concludes my little video on hydrogen bonds.